Hello everyone. I don't know about you, but I tend to forget what these signs mean each time I need to do something else other than the regular filter function. So as I'm going to pack the pool, I'm doing this video also for myself so that I don't forget by the next season what are these for. So let's start with the most common filter one. So that's the function used to filter the pool, and I use it most of the time, right? I set it to filter, and the filter filters through either the sand filtration system or the cotton balls. The next one is the closed function. It prevents the water from running through the filter, but honestly I haven't used it at all. The next one is the backwash. This function is used to clean the sandbag, and water is pumped down through the collector. However, I have not used that one either. A rinse function. A rinse function is used for initial startup cleaning. Since I have cotton balls and not sand filtration system, I haven't used that one either. The next function is the drain function, which I did use when I was cleaning the pool from very small particles that didn't get cleaned through the regular chemicals that you put into the pool. So I added something else, and then as I was vacuuming the pool, I used this function to clean the remaining particles. And the last function is here, Circulate, that circulates water without going through the filter, and I have not used that one either. So this completes the overview of the filtration system and its functions. I'm going to disassemble the pool now and lay it rest over winter. Thank you for watching.